In this video, I will show you a nice option to use AI for Christmas gift ideas. All you need is to take one of the AI bots. In this case, I'd just take Perplexity AI, which is a free access to ChatGPT. Let's start with a girlfriend. Give me 20 Christmas gift ideas for my girlfriend. She is 30 years old and has some hobbies. Dancing. What else? Painting. What else? Music. Yeah. Just give it a try. So we see now the first ideas. A dance class gift card, painting set, music streaming subscription, customized jewelry, pretty nice, or dance shoes, concert tickets, art book. So this is great, yes? I think you can easily find how many gifts, and yeah, you also find sources. How nice is this? Okay, next thing. So for your uncle, I need also gifts for my uncle. He's 50 years old, an engineer, and loves cars. Okay, give it up. Bang, bang, bang. Car care kit, driving experience, customized garage side. Pretty nice. Model car kit. So you can have more specific gift recommendations if you dive deeper. So you could also mention what's your profession, what's the background, where are they living, and all this sort of things. And you get more specific recommendations. I guess this is pretty helpful. So I wish you a really nice Christmas time and fun. And I wish you that you get the best gifts by yourself. So thank you for watching. And please subscribe to our channel for more cool videos. Thank you.